Hello everyone from InstaFollowers. Today we would like to talk about our new product, Twitter Auto Tweet Viewing Service. Auto Twitter Tweet View service is an effective one that allows tweet on your Twitter account to get more views within a certain period of time. This service is generally used to increase organic interaction and help your post reach wider audience. Auto Twitter Tweet View can help tweets from your account gain popularity and be noticed by more people. Thanks to our product, your account has the following advantages: greater visibility, interaction increase, account reliability, brand awarenesses, and advertising effects. It brings advantages such as and allows your content to grow your increase in its visibility and organic interaction. Go to the website InstaFollowers.com. From here, you will see our special service prepared for many platforms, not just Twitter. Among these applications, find the Twitter. Here you can see a list of many services for you. When the list opens, click the Buy Automatic Twitter Views. Then select the options that suits you from the page that opens. You can choose the package you want to buy according to the number of auto tweets view you want. After choosing a package, you can complete the process by filling in your username and the requested informations. In the last step, complete the payment step to finish the process. After this step, you will purchase the Auto Twitter Tweet View service. And finally, if you encounter any problems, you can contact 24 hours. Don't forget that we have live support line. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.